Okay, these are my materials for dyeing. So I have my bucket. This is my dye. I'm going to start with making sure that all of my surfaces are super clean. So I already cleaned the inside of my bucket, and now I'm just going to clean my sink, just to make sure that all these little like hairs and things are out, so that it doesn't get on my fabric and interrupt the dyeing process. Next, okay, so here are the instructions. They're pretty tiny letters. So we have options for stovetop, washing machine, or sink or bucket. That's what we're doing. Bucket. So this is the half-hour mark. If I bring it out of the water, you can see it's pretty light pink. I'm gonna kind of like adjust it. So the fabric right now is at the half-hour mark, and it's looking really pretty. It's a really light pink, which is what I was going for. I only put a little bit of the dye in because I want to get like a nice kind of dusty, icy pink, not like a full-on bright in your face pink, kind of like this flower. Not quite going for that. So I only put a little bit of dye in, and it recommends to leave the fabric in for 10 to 30 minutes. So I was thinking that 30 minutes max would be okay, but the linen does seem to be fairly, it takes a minute to absorb. So I put just a little bit more dye in. I'll go in and check it in 15 minutes, and then if I think it needs to be in there for another half hour or another 15 minutes, so to be in there for an hour total, I think I might go with that, and then I'll wash it in the washing machine with the dryer. I'm trying to go just a tiny bit darker. I don't know, maybe I'll just kind of do the 15 minutes and then put it in the washer. I'm just gonna try to get it to about where I want it, and then hope that it stays once I wash it. Because I don't want it to go too dark and then not be able to lighten it. I don't know. We're just gonna see how it goes. Okay, so I just got the fabric out of the dryer, and I'm really excited. Here is our big reveal. Ta-da! I'm so happy with it. It's really light, and that's what I wanted, so I'm really excited. If I had put the whole packet of the dye in, it'd be a much deeper, richer pink, but I was going for something kind of like my water bottle, and you can see they're similar. The fabric might be just a tiny bit lighter, but I'm okay with that because I wanted it to be lighter rather than darker, and I think it's just gonna look so nice. So that was my second dyeing experience. I dyed some fabric like 10 years ago. But so this turned out really great, and I feel more confident in trying out more dyeing projects. But for this project, I am quite happy.